Have you ever reached for a herbal supplement when you feel that familiar tickle in your throat? It is a common scenario, but have you ever wondered what actually makes Echinacea so incredibly popular? Meet Echinacea, a North American wildflower powerhouse that has been used for centuries by indigenous peoples. Today, this vibrant plant is celebrated worldwide for its unique ability to support our immune health. This purple coneflower is far more than just a pretty face in a garden or a meadow. It has served as a cornerstone of traditional wellness practices for generations, passed down through time. Now, modern science is finally catching up to this ancient knowledge, exploring its deep biological roots. Researchers are investigating exactly how this plant interacts with our complex internal defense systems. Echinacea is packed with active compounds, including flavonoids and alkaloids, that work in natural harmony. These compounds are believed to support your body's resilience when it faces environmental challenges. Imagine these active ingredients gently signaling your immune cells to stay alert and ready for action. Research suggests these components help stimulate the immune system to respond more effectively to threats. This process may potentially reduce both the severity and the total duration of common cold symptoms. However, the secret to success with this herb is all about the timing of your intake. Studies indicate that Echinacea is most effective if taken at the very first sign of a sniffle. You can experience these potential benefits in several different ways, depending on your personal preference. Start with a steaming, comforting mug of herbal tea prepared from the plant's dried petals. The warmth of the tea can be soothing, while the extract works to support your system. For those who prefer convenience, liquid tinctures offer a fast-acting method for daily support. These concentrated drops allow for easy adjustment of your intake throughout the day as needed. Capsules are another popular option, fitting seamlessly into your busy seasonal wellness routine. They provide a consistent dose as you prepare for changing weather patterns and colder months. A quick tip: Echinacea is typically most effective when used for short-term support during specific windows. Rather than continuous, year-round supplementation, it works best when used strategically and intentionally. Think of it as a seasonal boost during shifts in the weather or when you feel run down. It is about giving your body that extra bit of help exactly when it needs it most. Always remember that herbal supplements can interact with medications or specific underlying health conditions. It is important to listen to your body carefully as you introduce any new herbal regimen. Before adding any supplement to your routine, it is essential to consult with a qualified healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health history and current medication list. Ready to armor up your wellness toolkit naturally? Grab some Echinacea and support your body today. Taking this step is a proactive way to care for your health during the changing seasons. Understanding the science behind your supplements empowers you to make better choices for your vitality. Nature provides us with incredible tools, and learning how to use them wisely is vital. This is the first step toward building a more holistic and informed approach to well-being. Like and subscribe for more herbal science guides that help you navigate natural health with confidence.